Welcome to TPI, the global leader in test products. Today we are taking a closer look at our Model 343 dual input digital thermometer. What I really like about this unit is the ability to connect two probes simultaneously, allowing for measurements ranging from -58 to 2462 degrees Fahrenheit. Switch between channel 1, channel 2, and differential temperatures. Also has min-max record and data hold for those hard to reach places. But really, the most unique feature of the Model 343 is its ability to be auto-calibrated in the field. The 343 C3 kit also includes two CK21M pipe clamp probes, which are ideal for taking temperature readings on suction lines. And as with all TPI products, you can ensure that you're receiving a quality product at a great price with the added security of a 3-year warranty and a lifetime of support. So go ahead and test the TPI Advantage now.